Hi guys, this is me Rahini and today I am here to show you an amazing toy, the Negi Rs Speed Cube 3x3, which is also the perfect educational toy. Let's unbox it. The set comes with 26 pieces. The concept is well known and fairly simple. You basically need to twist the cube several times in any fashion to get the same colors to one side. Once you align one color completely, the rest of the colors automatically come together, completing the cube. This set is something that will keep you busy for hours once you really get interested. The cube comes in a transparent plastic pack, has super smooth rotations and is fun to play with. Its dimensions are 6 by 6 and it weighs 44 grams. This cube comes in two other colors, gold and black, so you can choose the one you like the best. This cube can also be timed and played as a competition. This is a handy learning accessory for kids and adults.